Morning, the most news in the morning, period. Weekdays 6 Eastern.
Bank heists are the stuff of Hollywood legend, but when you picture the thief, you probably think of a man. Police, though, say they're dealing with a growing trend, more women getting in on the act. So why do they do it? Our Deb Farrick went looking for an answer. You really don't think of women as bank robbers.
You don't. And a lot of people in law enforcement didn't either, but now they're changing their thinking altogether. The woman you're about to meet says she robbed a bank because she was going through a terrible divorce. She hooked up with the wrong guy and felt she had nothing left to lose. Simpler reasons, however, women need the money, and banks, believe it or not, are the safest place to get it.
Everybody get down on the ground right now! Put your hands up, move back down!
The film is called Set It Off. Armed women rob a bank. It's just a movie, or is it?
It felt powerful, exciting.
Meet Jane, fake name, real-life bank robber who stole $10,000 in her first heist by quietly slipping the teller a note.
We're armed and don't say anything, just give us all the money.
Across the country, police are seeing a small but steady rise in the number of women robbing banks. It's a trend experts say likely to continue.
Here's a crime you can commit easily, and it's an equal opportunity crime.
The most notorious female bank robber, of course, was Bonnie Parker of Bonnie and Clyde fame. Now the more memorable are the giggling teen Barbie bandits captured last year in Georgia, Northern Virginia's cell phone bandit caught in 2005, and the Starlet bandit still on the loose in Los Angeles. When you look at this list of female bank robbers, I mean, that was you. You had your picture.
That was me. I love the danger in it. I wanted some money, fast, quick money, a whole lot of it.
At most banks, tellers are told to hand over the cash rather than put anyone at risk.
She'll actually get online and
So she just waited patiently.
and wait patiently for the teller to say next.
John Giambrone, who heads up the Nassau County Robbery Squad in Long Island, says he went from 0 female robberies in his career to 15 in the last 3 years. He says men typically rob for the thrill or to support an addiction. Women are usually different.
They seem to think it out more, doing it more to pay bills, a little extra cash.
Was it worth it? No. No.
80% of all bank robbers like Jane are caught.
It's embarrassing to my children. My mother robbed a bank. You have to think about your children, your friends, your family, their lives, and how they feel. You will get caught.
Now, Jane spent 5 years in a maximum security prison. She was recently released and is working hard to rebuild her life. Meantime, the head of the robbery squad says with the bad economy, he expects to see more bank robberies, women desperate to get out of financial trouble. So hold on.
Yeah, one of the things you pointed out, 80% of them plus get caught.
It's a felony.
You don't really necessarily get away with it very often. Deb Farrick, thanks so much.